What is up? It's your girl and I am back. I wanted to share with you all an unboxing from TechHubs.ru. I did a video sharing with you all an item that they sent me from Gucci, and I wanted to share with you all another item that they sent me in the mail. So let me open it up. It came in a box like so, and these are balling on a budget for those of you all who like to save. You might have the coins, but you don't want to spend all your money on, you know, real high price luxury items. So this is an affordable option for you all if you're interested in it, and I'm here to share with you all what they sent me. So you know, it comes with your little sachet with all the satchel with the ribbons and everything if you want to give somebody the product, and they give you a real nice gift bag to top it off. So we're gonna open it up and see what they sent. Okay, so it comes in a bag like so, and this is the bag. This is super cute, super cute. I think I picked out a different color, but this was the one that they had in stock, and I love this color. It looks so pretty, very pretty. You can wear this in the summer because of the colors, the print and whatnot. I would actually rock this in the fall or winter. It really don't matter. I'm gonna take the paper off in a protective plastic. Okay, so this is how the bag looks. It is a cute little bag. Okay, I gotta see how the straps are because I can't remember how the straps are. But inside houses the strap, and then we have more paper. It is really, really roomy, you guys. Let me show y'all inside. Very, very roomy. It comes with the zipper pocket, and then it has that Gucci tab or tag right here. The inside is that microfiber, and inside is like a beigey looking color, and then you have the trim in red and just a pocket. Yeah, so it's a lot of room that you can kind of like, you know, take this. This is like that purse that I would love to rock. This is like that everyday purse. The strap that they sent is like so, and it's just like the standard Gucci casual strap. Okay, so one thing about this strap is not adjustable, but I do have a strap on another particular bag that is adjustable. And then, you know, you could always switch out your straps. It don't necessarily have to be this one, but this one is really, really cute. I like this. Let me bring it close so that you can see how the bag looks. Okay, so you have that GG, which is in gold, the Gucci. You have the cute print, which is the floral. Okay, so and then it comes with a handle. Your zipper is gold, and the hardware on here is also gold. You get your standard strap. It's like a really nice casual strap, and you also have like I told you, you have a zipper pocket, but you also have another pocket on the opposite side which houses the pamphlet about the bag. But yeah, guys, this is a really cute bag, and it will fit everything that you need to fit in here. Okay, this is a really cute bag that you can travel with, or if you're going to work or whatever the case may be. This is like that everyday bag, and I love it. It's gorgeous. So it has the same thing on the opposite side, but different flowers. And there's no feet on here, FYI, just to let you know. But yeah, for the most part, this is a really cute bag. I'm going to zip it up and show you how it looks on. I really like this. It's a really nice quality bag, and I will tell you over time how this bag wears. I'll probably end up wearing it to work. So let me try it on for you guys so that you can see how it looks on. All right, let's do this. Alright, you guys, so this is the bag. I think it's really cute on. Let me know what you think. This is really cute. I know I say really cute a lot, but this is really cute. So you can wear, I would always wear this as a crossbody. I wouldn't wear this as a shoulder bag because it's, in my opinion, it's too long, but you can actually wear it on your shoulder, because I know by myself being a little bit on the smaller side. But yeah, this is cute. I don't really like wearing it on the shoulders. I like that crossbody look because you can shop, everything is out the way. Yes, it's really cute. Or you can just carry it like so. Let me see, if your wrist is small, you can carry it like that. But yeah, guys, just for comfort, I would wear it as a crossbody. But again, I want to thank them for sending me this here bag to share with you all. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next vlog. Alright, bye y'all. So it's the next morning. I said I was gonna wear my cute Gucci slides. They are adorable, along with my cute Gucci bag. I did change out my bag. I put everything in my purse and it fits, and I still have room. I haven't the only thing that I didn't put inside was this cell phone of mine. And yeah, I still have room. I want to show y'all really quick. See that? So yes, girl, I have everything that fits in this here bag, and I have the right shoes to match my Gucci slides. So this is like a get ready with me. Okay, and that is the belt. So it is so hot in here. It's warm in here. My husband turned the air off. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Just casual, having fun on this day, and I am about to go out, but I just want to show you the completed look from head to toe. Your girl, and I'll see y'all later. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, have a blessed one. Bye y'all.